Hello everyone, welcome you all in this video lecture. Today we are going to find adjoint of a matrix. So first thing I should say, adjoint is a very important concept because if you have to identify inverse of a matrix, then in that case also you must find adjoint. So how to find inverse of a matrix? So one link is given in description box. So go through the link and learn how to find inverse of a matrix. So let's start concept of adjoint matrix. So adjoint is also called adjugate. First very important point related to adjoint concept, matrix should be a square matrix. It means that number of rows and number of columns must be equal. Definition of adjoint matrix is, it is the transpose of cofactor matrix. Suppose M is a matrix, so first you have to identify or find cofactor matrix of M, then adjoint of M is nothing but cofactor matrix transpose or transpose of a cofactor matrix. So let's go through one very important example. Suppose that this is a matrix of 3 by 3. It means that this is a square matrix. So first you have to find cofactor matrix of M, then you will have to transpose the cofactor matrix to get adjoint of given matrix. So how to calculate, how to find cofactor matrix? So first we have to understand. Suppose that if we have to find cofactor matrix of given matrix, so this matrix contains 9 elements. So for each element you have to find minor. So what is the minor? Suppose that A11 is the first element, so you have to delete first column and first row, and after that you will have A22, A23, A32, A33. So you have to find determinant of this matrix, right? So this is the minor of A11. Similarly, you have to identify minor of A12. So in this case what you have to do, delete this row and this column. So after deleting corresponding rows and columns, you will have A21, A23, A31, A33. So just you have to find determinant value. So this is the minor of A12. But here one very important point you have to keep in mind, this is the plus sign, here is the minus plus. So alternate plus minus plus, or you can see here plus minus plus, minus plus minus. So how we have to put plus sign and minus sign? So first item denotes I, second denotes j. If sum of I plus j is even, then you have to put plus sign. So simple formula for sign is minus 1 to the power I plus j. Suppose you have to identify A12, sign of A12. So I is nothing but 1, j is nothing but 2, so I plus j is nothing but 3. So minus 1 to the power 3 is minus. So in this way you have to put sign. So this is the cofactor matrix. So let another example. Suppose M is 520 minus 301 832. So you have to find adjoint of this matrix. So what you have to do? So first task to calculate cofactor matrix of given matrix. So by the concept we can identify cofactor matrix. So first you have to find minor of all the elements. So let's calculate minor of 5. So 5, so this row and this column will be deleted. So determinant will be of 0 1 3 2, 0 into 2 minus 3 into 1, so minus 3 with plus sign. Similarly, minor of 2 by deleting first row and second column. So minus 3 1 8 2. So determinant of minus 3 1 8 2 will be minus 6 minus 8. So in this way you can find cofactor matrix of M. So in case of finding adjoint matrix, you have to transpose the cofactor matrix. So this is our cofactor matrix. So just we have calculated adjoint matrix by doing transpose. So minus 3 14 minus 9 will appear as a first column, minus 4 10 1 will appear as a second column, and 2 minus 5 6 will appear as a third column. So this is the way to find adjoint of any square matrix.